Welcome back, guys. In today's video we're going to be installing my brand new XCLUTCH Twin Discs Unsprung kit. First thing first, you gotta clean your hands and wear some proper gloves. You need to avoid any oily contact with the clutch kit and the flywheel. So first thing I didn't record it, so I installed a brand new rear main seal and then the flywheel. You can see all of the rags I used to clean it. It comes pre-oiled, so it's very important to clean it. Same goes for this. This is all oily. This is also oily. You can see it a bit if I lower the brightness. Look here. And that's all oil. So you're gonna need to clean that and make sure you install everything. And it's pretty straightforward. The video won't be too long if I'm not mistaken. I don't have that much free time right now, so I'm gonna go through it pretty quickly. I have to say, XCLUTCH makes some beautiful kits. It simply looks beautiful and it's a breeze to install as well. There's instructions, but if you have ever done any like kit or clutch job, you don't really need them, to be quite honest with you. It's pretty straightforward. They do recommend to align the two pucks, like the two discs. It is not obligatory, it is not necessary like 100%, but they do recommend it, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I already installed the flywheel, so now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting the tool that comes with it. I'm gonna be starting to put the first clutch, then the separation in between, then the second one, then the third, and then the pressure plate. Obviously you need to clean each part, make sure, like I use brake cleaner and then I wipe it thoroughly. Again, make sure you don't have oily hands and there's no oil that gets contact or touch it in any way, shape or form. And I'm not gonna record myself wiping them. It's there's nothing special to show. I'm just gonna show you the different steps, or maybe simply the final result. It's not like you're not obliged to do so, but I personally align. It's hard to focus, so you can see. Wait, I'm gonna put it in manual focus. Okay, so if you look here, that disc is aligned with that one too perfectly, so you do not have to, but again, why not? Might as well just do it once so you don't have to do it again. I'm really happy with how it looks. It's super good, it's very beautiful. I'm really happy. Tomorrow engine and transmission are going inside the car. I can't wait. So in the meanwhile, please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you have any questions or criticism, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you guys, and see you. Bye bye.